Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Chase online banking account. So in order to log in into your Chase online banking account, you have to first of all install the application, or you can also go ahead and log in from your web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So on the web address bar, type in chase.com or Chase Bank. When you locate the following app, go ahead and select the install button and wait for the application to be installed. After the application is completely installed, then just wait for the application to be installed. Once done installing the application, click the open button and it's going to take you to sign up or login field. So if you don't have an account, then you can go ahead and tap the sign up button. But if you already have an account, then click the sign in button and enter in your credential. That includes entering your username and a password, and click the sign in button. You can also use your biometric in order to get access to your account, and then you've successfully logged into your Chase Bank account. If you're unable to log in, then click on forgot user ID or password, and it's going to provide you the information on how you can go ahead and reset your information or recover your account. So that's how you can log in into your Chase Bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.